been a while since I picked up the camera. We've been pretty busy. We've been working on the garden plot in the back. In the front? Good question. It's in the front of the house, I guess. But, ooh, bad lighting. That's fun. Yeah, I thought I'd take care of the rabbits. Let me get you guys set up. Let's take care of these bunnies while we chat. So, like any good bunny owner, fresh water daily, fresh hay. As far as garden goes, we have been working really hard getting that plot ready up front. We rented some equipment. We rented an excavator for a weekend. And then for another weekend, we rented a bobcat. The excavator was fun. The bobcat was awkward. Really need to build my new rabbit hutch. Been procrastinating it an awful lot. So as you can see, the boy has a good bit of water left in his, but he'd still like some fresh water. A little jumpy still. The major flaw I've found with this hutch so far is the door is too small. If I want to get a rabbit out, I have to crawl in. And that's really hard to do. So what I like to do with the hay is I give them fresh hay and it lasts a couple days. And then once I feel it's ready to get swapped out, I'll take the hay out of this and the hay out of his cage, and I like to sprinkle it on the poop down below. Kind of keeps the smell down. And I'm going to be using this on my garden. I think the hay will help. Like, I've seen people use wood chips and mulch for like insulation on their plants at the roots and to hold in moisture. And I'm hoping this has the same effect. Hi, I'm back. So, let's go take a look at the plants. So, I started some seeds. What was it? 2 weeks ago? Started some seeds. And I will show you what I've got going. I still have to transplant quite a few of them, but I have a 1-year-old and very little time. Now, I did record some shots of me putting this together, but it started getting dark, so I didn't get to finish my recording, but I had to finish this. So, let me show you how it's looking all set up. It's got this really nice cover on it. I got it on Amazon. I will link everything in the description for you guys. It's got 4 racks, and right now I'm only using 2 of them. Let me flip you guys around and show you. First we unzip and tie up the door. And then up top here, we've got what I've been working on. Whoop. Over here, we've got the green onions. I did 8 of them with a couple seeds in each. in the back 2 rows all the way across are spinach, and I did 2 seeds per each one of those as well. And then I did from this line to this and over. I did a big old patch of lettuce, and only 2 sprouted at first, and now I've got 2 more. And then this area was kale and cabbage. So we've got, I still have to move that one and separate the 2 seeds. But we've got the cabbage, no, the kale. We've got the kale. And then over here at the end we've got 2 cabbage. And then down here we've got a whole tray of cabbage. And here, which just sprouted this morning, this one and this one over here. Oh, looks like this one's coming up. All of that is snow peas. And I only did 1 seed per those. So hopefully they all come up. Yeah, my plants are doing great. So yeah, like I said, we were working on the garden and we got a lot of work done. I got some videos of doing stuff, but I also lost a couple videos because my computer messed up. But I've got some of it, and here in a second you're going to see that. That's about it. That's what we've been up to. Oh yeah, I also got an incubator and I'm hatching some eggs. Stick around for that video in the future. I just put them in, so I got like 20 days until those hatch. I also have to get the chicken coop up and functioning, which is going to be hard without a chicken coop. what we have done so far. We spent a good bit of time down here with the bobcat and the excavator. We cut out this pathway down, which is looking really good. I'd still like to get it a little bit wider, about where it's going to over here. So from here over, I'd like the pathway going all the way down. We got a lot of work done over one weekend. Cleared a lot of blackberries. And I'm thinking we're gonna do, like I said last time, we're gonna do some raised beds. I'm thinking maybe some storage area way in the back there. And some raised beds along the edging here with some trellis work in the center with a couple beds. And then over here, I was thinking of a nice little sitting area. We still have to clear that space out some more though. A lot of blackberry vines still up in those trees and stuff. I think it's looking really great so far. So we're cleaning up around the edge line. As you can see, I went to about there the other day, just kind of cleaning up along the edge. And we're gonna fence it in all the way along. And down here, we're gonna do a gate, offload any dirt or anything. We can fit it. The fence line's gonna incorporate the sitting area over here and come back. And we're gonna do a gate. Hi, cat. We're gonna do a gate right here at the start of the walkway. Putting a fence around it, hopefully 6 to 8 feet tall, to keep deer out, because we live in Northern California where there are deer everywhere. And it's a whole lot of fun for gardeners. So as you guys saw, we got a lot of work done down there. We still have a lot of work to do. I still need to figure out where I'm going to put my garden beds. I need to get the wood to make my garden beds. Our next step though is we got to clear out some more blackberry vines around the edge so that we can get the fence line up so that we can keep the deer out. Where we live in Northern California, we got a lot of whitetail and they love gardens. If you just drive down the road anywhere around here, you'll see someone's garden and you'll see at least an 8-foot fence around it. We got to do that, and then I can work on the beds. Spring is here, guys, and it's super pretty. Our fruit trees are sprouting all their pretty flowers. And we've got the dark pink ones back there. And over here, this one is about to explode with stuff. I believe this one and the one over here are all cherry trees. Is a peach tree, really vibrant pink. It's a nectarine. These are my mom's fruit trees. She's very happy with them right now. So yeah, the fruit trees are looking beautiful. Spring is looking beautiful. I'm excited to keep doing stuff. The hard part is finding the time to do stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. We were gonna keep working hard. And camera's heavy. I'm tired. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment. Let me know how you guys like it. What else you guys want to see. I'd be happy to work on some other things. I hope you enjoyed.